Hi guys, this lesson is on discovering the author's purpose, and we are going to do that with this text called The Most Important Service. You can find this text in your Benchmark Advance online curriculum. It is in the Mentor Read Aloud book on page 38, or you can follow along with me. First, let's read. The most important service. People provide services or important work for one another. Here are 3 opinions about which service is the most important. I think firefighters provide the most important service. Firefighters are trained to put fires out quickly. They rescue or save people and their pets from burning buildings. Firefighters work hard to prevent fires from spreading. I think that police officers provide the most important service. Police officers do many things that keep people safe. They patrol the streets and make sure that everyone obeys or follows the laws. They also solve crimes. Police officers provide an important service by helping people feel safe and protected. Police officers visit schools and talk to students. In my opinion, farmers provide the most important service. Everyone needs food to live. Farmers grow delicious food that helps us stay healthy. Farmers grow carrots, corn, beans, apples, grapes, and more. We can even thank farmers for the milk and juice we drink. Farmers help us grow. A farmer's market is a place to meet the farmers who grow your food. Firefighters, police officers, and farmers all provide important services. They keep us safe from fires. They protect us from harm. They provide lots of good food. Think about people who are providing services in your community every day. In your opinion, who provides the most important service? People who provide services make our neighborhoods better. Authors have different purposes for writing. The purposes that authors use are to inform, persuade, and entertain. When you read, you should keep in mind what the author's purpose is for writing the text. Today we're going to answer the question, what are the ways you can tell what the author's purpose is for writing a text? We're going to reread paragraph 2 of The Most Important Service. This paragraph has some clues about the author's purpose. I think firefighters provide the most important service. Firefighters are trained to put fires out quickly. They rescue or save people and their pets from burning buildings. The first sentence says, I think firefighters provide the most important service. I know that the words think show me that the speaker is giving an opinion. Next, the author tells reasons why she thinks that firefighters are important. They put out fires quickly, and they save and rescue people's pets. So I think the author's purpose in this paragraph is to convince us that firefighters provide an important service. Let's look at page 2. I think that police officers provide the most important service. Police officers do many things that keep people safe. They patrol the streets and make sure that everyone obeys or follows the laws. They also solve crimes. Police officers provide an important service by helping people feel safe and protected. On this page, the author says, again, I think that police officers provide the most important service. When an author says, I think, that means they're sharing an opinion. Next, the author gives reasons to support the opinion. Police officers help keep people safe by patrolling the streets and making sure that everyone follows the laws. The author's purpose on this page is to convince us that police officers have an important service. Think about the text and answer the questions. What would you say is the author's purpose for writing this text? What words show that the author is expressing his or her opinion? What reasons does the author give to support his or her opinion? This lesson should help you fill out page 9 in your comprehension booklet for this week. Thanks for listening.